Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Increasing and decreasing functions. Increasing function y is equal to fx is said to be an increasing function of x if fx increases for increasing value of x in a certain interval ab. So in an increasing function in interval ab, say a where a is less than x1, which is less than x2, which is less than x3, like that, which is less than b, less or equal to b, then f of x6 is greater than fx5 is greater than, like that, fx, ultimately it is greater than fx1, the first interval. So in this case, the tangent of at any point within the interval makes an acute angle with the positive direction of x-axis, because dy by dx is greater than 0 and the curve y fx is rising at that interval. Decreasing function y is equal to fx is said to be a decreasing function of x if fx decreases for increasing value of x in a certain interval ab. In an decreasing function in an interval ab, say a is less than x if where fx6 is less than fx5 is less than the first interval fx1. In such case, the tangent at any point makes an obtuse angle with the positive function of x-axis, that is dy by dx is equal to is less than 0 and the curve of y is equal to fx will be falling at that interval. Stationary point. A function y is equal to fx may be either increasing, may be neither increasing nor decreasing at some point, then that point is called a stationary point. At stationary point, the derivative is 0, that is dy by dx is equal to 0. At the stationary point, the curve will neither be rising nor falling, it will be a straight line parallel to x-axis. So example, y is equal to x to the power 4 minus x square. Examine whether y is increasing or decreasing at x is equal to minus 1. So step 1, dy by dx is equal to 4x cube minus 2x. So step 2, we put the value of x as equal to minus 1. So we get the value of first derivative 4 into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. So we get minus 4 plus 2, which is less than 0 because it is minus 2. So y is a decreasing function and the tangent at x is equal to minus 1 makes an obtuse angle with positive direction of x-axis. Example 2, y is equal to 1 by 3x cube minus 3x square plus 9x. So that y increases for all increased value of x. Here get the first derivative, so we get dy by dx is equal to 1/3 3x square minus 3 into 2x plus 9 is equal to x square minus 6x plus 9, which is equal to again x minus 3 whole square. So dy by dx is equal to x minus 3 whole square, which is positive for all values of x. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.